Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're off to Islamabad today, all packed up, ready to go. We'll spend a day or two there exploring and then it's up into the mountains. I'm excited guys, I really am. And Pakistan, I can't say this enough, what an amazing, welcoming, friendly country. What a start to the morning, traffic, but it should be alright. I've got 5.5 hours, Google Maps hours to Islamabad. But this shouldn't last too long. We should be out. We should be on the highway fairly soon, I think. And that's brought me a bit of a funny way this time, considering we're going from one of the main cities to the capital city. And there was a gate just back there that I couldn't get through with my side packs, side saddles. No, what do you call them? I couldn't get through, so I had to turn around and do a bit of a roundabout, but that's alright, it was easy. Everyone was so helpful. About 20 people stopped and told me where to go. Yeah, now I should be getting back on the road right here in front of us, I think. Yeah, Pakistani people are just so friendly and helpful and welcoming. Google Maps has really taken me round and round. I think maybe on paper these routes might be shorter than staying on the main road, so Google Maps doesn't know any different. But I don't mind guys, this is an adventure. I have no fear or no nervousness at all riding around the suburbs of Lahore. Everyone is so friendly and helpful. Even this guy here with a shotgun on his shoulder. And I got the 2-hour sore butt, so I just stopped for a drink. No soda water. I found one service station, like one petrol station in Lahore that sold soda water, but I bought them all, I think, the only ones in Lahore. So now I'm just testing out different drinks to find out what I'm going to drink in Pakistan, but this one's a bit sweet, but at least it's cold. And, we'll be heading, we're about 2.5 hours in, we got 3 hours to go. Google Maps hours. Still can't find the soda water guys, but this lychee drink doesn't seem too sweet. We'll see how I feel in 5 minutes once it's absorbed into my stomach. I can tell if something's sweet these days. I used to eat so much sugar. Like we'd buy a cheesecake and Janet would have a little piece and I'd sit and eat the whole thing. But then my friend Gracie, hello Gracie, was bagging me one day because we were getting ready for night shift. I was making a thermos of coffee and I was piling it full of sugar. And he started telling me, oh Paul, you know that stuff's cancer food, blah 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 blah. I said, stuff you Gracie, and I gave up avoidable sugar on the spot. It's a bit harder to avoid when you're overseas, but I don't touch nearly as much sugar as I used to. It used to be a big part of my diet. Now if I was to drink that and it was like a Coke or something, I'd feel really sick in the stomach. Just filled up last time before Islamabad. Well, we made it guys, we're in Islamabad. This is sector 7 and I booked my hotel here purposely. My hotel's like 2 minutes away. I booked here on purpose because Luke Damant's favourite cheese paratha is just round the corner from my hotel. So we'll go and get booked in, we'll go and have a cheese paratha, maybe a Nutella paratha. I'm hungry. The hotel's on a nice street, that's for sure. I think it's right here. I'm not sure, but it's here somewhere. Just have to... Hotel.
Hotel?
Yeah.
Guest room.
Okay.
This is the last one.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
13B.
Is this Grand Peace House?
Grand Peace?
Grand Peace? Ah, good. Well, the first time I ever saw a Luke Damant video, he'd done a hitchhiking challenge with another YouTube couple who I was watching. I can't remember who they are, but I certainly remember who Luke is. He's one of my favourites. And I'm pretty sure the hitchhiking challenge finished here. But either way, Luke's made this Quenta Chai very, very famous. He says it's the best cheese paratha in the world. So let's go and try some of Luke Damant's cheese paratha. I've seen Luke here so many times that it's like, hello.
How are you, sir?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
Looking for my jewelry.
Maybe later, my friend. Yeah, I've seen this so many times. Hello. That it's like I've been here before, but it is my first time. I've already ordered a cheese paratha. And everyone's already talking about Luke, very famous here. And here's where it's all done. I've seen this so many times on Luke's videos. One cheese paratha. A Luke Damant's cheese paratha. And guys, this is where the magic happens. First they roll out a bit of dough, put the cheese on top, then they fold it over and over so that the cheese is in the middle of the paratha. And then it goes on this, which is really, really hot. That is, I can feel the heat coming from here. Luke's made his own, and I thought I'd come here and show Luke how it's done, but I think I might leave it to the experts. So now he flattens it out, pushes it out, and then gets the roller. Excellent, guys. I'm going to go and grab a seat and wait for my paratha. And fans of Luke's will remember this sitting area, recognise this. I think he came here about 1:30 in the morning one time and he cooked everyone that was sitting here cheese paratha. Everyone was a bit drunk. Yeah, guys, I know what it seems like, but I am pretty excited that I've come here because I saw these videos maybe 2 years ago and I've been dreaming of coming here ever since. And guys, here I am, Luke Damant's cheese paratha. And this is it, guys, famous cheese paratha. Okay guys, so you guys have watched me eating paratha and things all over the world, roti, different, but this is probably the best I've ever eaten. No, I would say the best I've ever eaten. Really, really delicious. What's your name?
Arbas.
Arbas. This is his jewellery shop, but he was in another of Luke's videos. I remember he bought Luke a thing from down there at that stall down there.
Yeah,
and
might have been.
It's very exciting for me, guys. It's like I've been here before. And this is where I'm staying, guys. Grand Peace House. Really comfortable. Really, and great breakfast, around 30 US a night, so not cheap, but it's really comfortable. And this is more about Pakistani hospitality. When I arrived, I went to get my passport out and he said, no sir, go to your room, check in, get comfortable and come down and book in when you've had a rest. So yeah, Pakistanis just surprises me. Every day I'm here, I get more and more surprised about the welcoming. Everyone, everywhere I go, like I haven't got it on film yet, but people are always offering me cups of tea, cups of coffee, offering to pay for my lunch and things. Just an incredible, incredible country, guys. And this is the room. Sorry about the mess, but we established a long time ago that that's what I do. One of my many skills. Turning places into a bomb site in minutes. Bathroom, beautiful hot water. Nice clean bathroom. Yeah guys, I'm very happy here. The Grand Peace House in Sector 7. And I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.